Have you ever heard people use the terms data science and data analytics like they mean the same thing? Well, they're related, but they're not exactly the same. Imagine you're analyzing stored data to predict when your cantaloupes will sell out. Are you doing data science or data analytics? The answer is both can be involved. Data science is the bigger umbrella. It includes everything from collecting and cleaning data to building machine learning models and AI systems. Data analytics is more focused. It's about interpreting existing data to answer questions and help businesses make decisions. Think of it this way. A data scientist asks, what could happen in the future? While a data analyst asks, what is happening right now and why? Data science usually follows a full life cycle. First, identify a problem. Then, collect data, clean it, analyze it, build predictive models, and finally, visualize the results. Then, the cycle repeats again. Data scientists often work with machine learning, AI, Python, R, Hadoop, Apache Spark, and big data systems. Data analysts, on the other hand, focus more on dashboards, reports, trends, and business insights using tools like SQL, Excel, Power BI, or Tableau. There are also four major types of analytics: descriptive analytics, what happened; diagnostic analytics, why did it happen; predictive analytics, what could happen next; and prescriptive analytics, what should we do about it? So, in simple words, data analytics helps organizations understand data. Data science helps organizations predict and shape the future using data. Both careers are highly in demand.